Hello guys, I hope you all doing well, and today I'm going to do the unboxing and review for the Superstar J. J is for junior, so these shoes are for kids, basically infants, kids. So I just bought it a few days ago. The shoes are really nice, and the box is the typical classic Adidas look. It's written here Adidas Originals. So when we open it, the shoes are like that. So really amazing shoes, guys. I love it, and I will give you the review. So if you see here, there are different designs over here, really looking nice, and it's a famous three stripes Adidas, and on the inner side there is three more Adidas stripes. That's a typical Adidas style. From the front, it's kind of look like that, and because it's a superstar, all superstar comes in this pattern, and there is this a little hard material in the front, and you see the stitches over here, they are really fine stitches, and from the downside it's completely flat and there is a zigzag pattern, and from here the cushioning, the famous Adidas logo. From behind there is one more Adidas logo, and this look like this from behind. Okay guys, the other thing, the thing that I like the most about these shoes is this cushioning. It's really soft, so when you wear it, it looks really it will feel very comfortable. And the one more interesting thing about this sole, it's a really soft sole, Ortholite Adidas, and when we go down and when we press it a little harder, we can feel it, it's really soft. So when you wear it, it feels really comfortable, and this gonna look good with the jeans, with casual wear, as you all know. And from here there is a more cushioning, and it's a little bit hard over here, so it give you support from this side. So it's look like really nice shoes, guys. So if you are going to buy the sneakers, I think these are one of the best sneaker and one of the best design created by Adidas, guys. So I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.